Good day to Miss Low and our fellow peers. Today we are going to explain our project, which is titled about optimizing existing code, assembly language code. And our group members consist of Maximilian Anabej and Casper Anawan, Muhammad Qayyum bin Kamal and Muhammad Zain bin Zamiri, and last but not least me, Lakshman Analaki Rajendran. So today we'll go through some of the key topics, which is starting on selected code or application and analysis on our code and implementation of our code and screenshot and visuals of our final product, and finally the demo itself. So for the introduction, so in this project, our group focused on enhancing the performance of existing code by identifying bottlenecks and implementing optimized assembly solutions. Our goal is to demonstrate the effectiveness of assembly language in improving the efficiency of software applications.
Okay, for the select code or application, we choose the code from GitHub, which is the snake game code, which we will optimize this code. For the emulator, we use DOSBox to run our snake game code. Next, for the analysis, for this code, we have found a couple of bottlenecks in the design which we could improve. For example, the design of the snake and the foot icon, and then we also can add some scoreboard, and then we can add something to the title. Next.
So for the implementation, so the color and the shape of the snake, so we were able to change the color and shape of the snake for it to be more appealing and varied from the source code. And apart from that, we were able to change the foot icon. So the snake visual, not only changes made in the snake visuals, we also made some changes in the icon of the foot. And for our major part of the change, we did implement some codes that was able to show scoreboard, which each time the snake eats the food, it will show point added to the scoreboard. And last but not least, we optimized the title screen because the previous title screen was very plain, and after our implementation, it became very eye-catchy.
Okay, next we're going to the interface of our project. So the first, this is the interface for the our project. Before, you can see the first one, the title is different from after, and then in the game you can see that the snake is white color, and you can see the foot icon also is also different from the after. And then for the interface for the game over, now you can see the scoreboard in the top left, and then we go to the interface of after. Okay, now you can see the title is different from the before. You can see after this, we will do the demo, and then you can see the snake color also changed, and the head of snake also changed, and for the foot icon also have been changed. And then for the scoreboard, you can see it's going to the middle of the interface. And then we go into next.
Okay, so hello, this is for the demonstration of the before code, the previous code by Leonardo Nado. He was a YouTuber and he provided a code for a snake assembly language. So let's start. You can press any key to start the game. Like a simple snake game, you just have to eat the foods, and your body will grow a tail. Yes, that's all. Right now we can see that there is a blue background, which is a bug, and we can't find the way to solve it. So it is just like that.
As we can see, this code is at the top left. The snake color is previously white. And yeah, that's all. Not really much in this code. So yeah, game over. A simple game. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now, I'm going to be presenting about our end product, the after results. So as you can see here from the title screen, you can see that we changed it in the title screen from developed by whatever the other guy's name was. So developed by the Diploma Science Computer Semester 2 students. Okay, that's one of the implementation. Okay, let's press any to start. Okay, as you guys can see from here, our snake has changed from just a simple white block to this red symbol. And then we can also eat the background. And the food has turned into like a yellow goldish color. We change it too. And then our scoreboard, we change from the top left to the middle so that it looks even better. And that's it. That's all that we implemented in this code. Thank you. Okay, so for our conclusion, as you can see from our previous demo, from the before and after results, you can see through this project, we have found that assembly languages can be used to create games and also modify them using assembly language coding. As you can see from the after result, from the aspects of the scoreboard, we see from the interface screen, the shape of the snake, the color of the food, and yeah, that's it. Thank you. These are reference, as you can see. And thank you, that's all.
And that's all from us. Thank you.